Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel EduVibe. In today's lesson, we are doing the last topic of the Unit C Grade 11 Chemistry, which is the monoperiodic and the polyperiodic substances. This is a very important topic again. We are doing the here also the modifiers theory questions, but this is a short topic and this is the last topic of this. So, mono and polyperiodic acids. First, we deal with the acids. So, the monoperiodic acids have only one acid hydrogen atom. If when you do the modifiers theory, if you get only one hydrogen atom and like you have only get one hydronium ion, so this is called the monoperiodic acids. In the compound formula, and can only react once with water, so you react only once with water and produce only one hydrogen. Like we have only one reaction. In one reaction, we have only one react with water, and there's only one hydronium ion. So if you have like this sort of thing, so which means you have a monoperiodic acids. Strong acids, accept sulfuric acid and many weak acids are monoperiodic. So if we're doing the examples of this, you can get to know which are the monoperiodic and non-periodic. Then, so which are polyperiodic? Polyperiodic are different. Like if you have more than one acid hydrogen, if the thing can be react with water more than once to produce a hydronium ion, like you have a more than one hydronium ion in whole modifier term. So then this was the polyperiodic acids. We have a diperiodic acids if we have a two hydrogen atoms which react with water. If we have a triperiodic acids, if you have a three hydrogen that can be react with water. In general, polyperiodic acids are weak acids are whose reaction with water decreases with each successive step. So how can we deal with? How can we like do that things? So we have H2S. So we can write this with water first. So H2S aqueous react with water. This is a weak acid. So we get this hydronium ion plus S minus. In this, we have to get rid of this hydrogen because this is the acid thing. So we have to get rid of hydrogen. So we have to do the next step thing. With water, you will get your H2 negative aqueous. So in this, you can react the substance with the 2 times with water and you get the 2 hydronium ions, which is more than one. That means this H2S is your polyperiodic acid because it had more than once. In HI is the strong acid, so it reacts with only once with water and they get only one hydronium ion, which means this is your monoperiodic acid. So that's how it works. If you have the two reactions, you get a polyperiodic. If you have a one reaction, you get a monoperiodic. Simple thing. Same with the bases. So if in this we have to do the deassociation thing. So monoperiodic bases deassociate or react with water only once to produce hydrogen ions are called the monoperiodic bases. Polyperiodic bases more than once with the produce hydrogen ions, which means you have a polyperiodic basis. For molecular bases, the reaction with water is less complete with the E-specific step. Generally, the number of times the ion act is simple and same as the negative charge on the ion. So it's not table. You have to just know about the monoperiodic and the polyperiodic bases and the acids. How it deals with? So we have MgOH2. So in MgOH2, you can directly deassociate this and you get Mg2 plus aqueous plus 2H negative aqueous. But you can say that this is only one reaction in this. But so you can say this is a monoperiodic. But in this, you have a two hydroxide things, two hydroxide ions, which means we have more than one hydroxide ion, which means this is your polyperiodic. You not always take care of this, like if it has a two reaction, so this is the polyperiodic. If they have a two, like we have to balance this, and you have a two hydroxide ions, which means this is the polyperiodic base. Same with the acids. You have to take care of this thing too. So next question we have Li2SO3. So in this we have to get, firstly you have to deassociate this. So aqueous. That's with water. You get 2 Li positive aqueous plus SO3 2 negative aqueous. You have to get rid of the negative sign, 2 negative. So react with water, weak base as well. This OH negative aqueous plus HSO3 negative aqueous. SO3 negative aqueous plus water in liquid, equilibrium sign, H2SO3 aqueous plus OH negative. You get a 2. 2 hydrogen, this is also a polyperiodic base. So that's how the polyperiodic bases, monoperiodic bases, monoperiodic and polyperiodic acids can work. So this is very easy topic, and you get more in this topic when you have in a grade 12 chemistry, which is again very important. So we discussed up to like this only, and this chapter is completed now. In the next lesson, we're doing some practice question, extra practice question of this unit. Then we move to the last unit of grade 11 chemistry. So that's all for this lesson. Let me try to EduVibe once more, not harder. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, let me in the comment section. See you in the next lesson. Till it's related with EduVibe.